All right, got my heater box out of my Land Rover, and I got some interesting finds back here. First, we have a screw. Who cares? But look at this. That's like a little 22. Is there a metric 22? I don't know. But, I don't know, what's that? Popsicle stick. A couple of coins. And look, another little 22. Wonder what else I got in here. Oh, fuses. More wood screws. Oh, hey, look, another 22. How many more are in there, I wonder? Just some screws. Oh, little Allen key. All right, well, look at that. It came in from Europe with a couple of, with 3 bullets in it. 3 little 22s. I wonder how long those have been in there. All righty.